Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Abdul Raqib Nadwi. Once again, welcome to spoken English class through Urdu Jamia Madinatul Ulum Shikaripur. Guys, congratulations if you have intended and decided to learn English, because it is a great step toward your success. Guys, maybe you are thinking how to learn English? Don't worry. My previous video was about why to learn English, and today I am going to discuss about how to learn English. So guys, let's begin. First of all, you should have a teacher or a friend who has good knowledge of English, because books never teach you properly. I believe that books are helpful in learning English, but books are not reliable source to learn English. Guys, surround yourself in English, in which you can speak English, in which you can learn English, you can talk in English. I heard from many students, sir, we don't have environment, so how can we learn English? How can we speak English? How can we talk in English? How can we interact with people? Because there is no environment. So my answer is, you will never get environment. You should create an environment by yourself. Then you can speak English. If you want to learn English, try to talk with your parents, with your friend, with your family, and don't feel shy and don't hesitate, and keep a notebook of new words and write them down and try to memorize them, because memorization is one of the most common way to learn vocabulary. If you don't know vocabulary, so how can you speak English? So in speaking English, vocabulary is very important. So guys, and revise them once in a week. And don't be afraid to make mistakes, because friends, mistakes are common, and you knew that nobody is perfect on this earth. If you are making mistakes, doing errors, it does not matter. It means you are getting more chance to learn better English. So guys, don't feel shy to make mistakes. Once you will learn definitely English. And guys, practice every day, because you know that practice makes a man perfect. And remember one thing, there is no shortcut to be an English talker, to be a fluent person, to learn English. And one cannot learn English overnight. So guys, you should practice, you should struggle, and decide that how much time you are spending to learn English. Make a plan and do hard work. So guys, and one more thing, don't try to translate into the English from your native language, from your own language, because it is not right way to learn English. If you want to speak English, if you want to talk in English, so directly try to speak directly. Don't try to translate it. So guys, practice 4 core skills: reading, writing, speaking and listening. Once again, I will repeat that: reading, writing and listening and speaking. I will make another video about these 4 core skills, inshallah. So guys, I hope that this video will be very helpful for beginners. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share, do like, and thanks for watching. Till then, bye, take care.